not this. That's more stick, tight.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
I'll just stay a little bit close to the camera and see the knife work, but the one hand cuts, obviously the body turns, chambers underneath, right? In the beginning, I often bring the knife tight, okay? So that way when I have one, the knife comes tight, slices through, and the knife comes tight. You see how when the knife comes tight, the shoulder starts to push out and that loops underneath because it cuts through and it hooks underneath as this shoulder starts to push out. And then that one, that way that gets that same cut on that diagonal. Then right here, this pulls back in as this hand extends out and cuts and then cuts. So it's this right here, when this slash is down, as it comes down, it tucks. It tucks in, and that comes out from underneath. So cut, 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 cut. And so in the beginning, 1, 1, 2, 2. So if I back up a little bit, 1, 1. See how that hip pulls back as the hand extends forward, 2, and then we're back to 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so in the beginning I do it tight like that. Cut, cut, so that you get used to this. You get used to that changeover, okay? Then what I do is everything gets a little tighter. So from the slash, it doesn't come back quite as deep. Slash, see how it just comes now to behind my elbow. Not all the way tight to here, just behind my elbow. So slash, slash, then it just has to creep over my hand, and there's the slash and the other slash. So then it's cut, 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 cut. So then you start getting these slash. And again, it's gotta be the body, not the arm. So you don't wanna slash with just the hands. You want the body, body, body. And so each cut has the body behind it. And that's when you start moving the feet more. See how my feet slide? God. See how that now I can lean forward. All right? Slash, slash. So I switched forward to lean and get more power in my cut. Hit it. Cut, cut, cut. Slash, slash. So again, 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay? Just cut. Here, slash, slash. So just not this. That's more stick, tight.